Today's task is to slide this over and bust up the concrete. All right, I got the mailbox slid over to some plywood. And now we're gonna bust this up. You can see how it's defective. Look at that, it's like too much sand or something. Just all falling apart. So we're gonna continue breaking it up and redo this pad for the mailbox. This breaks up like sand. You could tell there's way too much sand in this concrete mix. Drilling holes everywhere makes it easier to bust up and easier for removal, just like this. Now I remove all the broken pieces and put them in the truck and haul them to the dump later. For now, I prepare the ground for the new concrete pad and do framing. This here is a weed barrier, and also I'm mixing the new crack-resistant concrete mix. It is recommended to use this accelerator in colder temperatures. It's important to make sure everything is square and level. Otherwise, you shouldn't even be mixing concrete.
Okay, let's go.